What's up, Metaverse Update crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire download of the hottest crypto news hitting the scene right now. First up, Kazakhstan is making waves as President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev announces they're establishing a state cryptocurrency reserve, a move that could seriously impact the global digital asset market. Next, we've got some mind-blowing projections for the future of digital currency. Analysts are forecasting that the global cryptocurrency market size is set to explode, potentially reaching over $6.2 trillion by 2033. We'll break down what this massive growth means for investors and the industry. Then, we're looking at how companies are strategically diving into crypto. FEG Holdings is making a significant move, announcing a detailed investment strategy to allocate millions into digital assets, aiming for diversification and risk-adjusted returns. We'll explore their approach and what it signals for corporate crypto adoption. And finally, get ready for a regulatory game-changer. The SEC and CFTC are joining forces to reimagine cryptocurrency with a nonstop market approach, a move that could fundamentally alter how we trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Stick around for all the details and make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. Kazakhstan's bold crypto reserve, a national strategy unfolds. Kazakhstan is stepping onto the global stage with a significant announcement. President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev has revealed plans to establish a state fund dedicated to accumulating a strategic cryptocurrency reserve. This ambitious initiative, to be managed under the Investment Corporation of the National Bank of Kazakhstan, is a key part of the nation's broader strategy to accelerate the creation of a robust digital asset ecosystem. Previously, Kazakhstan had explored the idea of a reserve backed by confiscated Bitcoin, a concept now gaining official traction. Timur Suleymanov, chairman of the National Bank, emphasized that centralizing these assets would ensure enhanced oversight and rigorous risk management. This move aligns with the country's forward-thinking approach to crypto regulation, which Nurkat Kushimov, general manager of Binance Kazakhstan, has previously described as providing a very solid foundation for a national Bitcoin reserve. The government is also pushing forward with the digital tenge, aiming to expand its use beyond national fund projects into broader financial systems and state holdings. With pilot testing showing success and reducing VAT refund times significantly, the digital tenge is poised for wider integration. Beyond digital currencies, President Tokayev is championing an investment program of up to $1 billion in high-tech sectors, including AI. This includes launching initiatives like the Al-Sana program to engage students in AI projects and developing a digital platform, Kazakh Digital Mektabi, for distance learning in AI. The nation also sees substantial potential in taxing the crypto market, with plans to legalize and regulate mining and trading to become a regional crypto hub. This proactive stance includes developing legislative amendments for crypto exchange operators and introducing licensing, alongside existing innovations like crypto cards and the first spot Bitcoin ETF in Central Asia. Public reaction and expert analysis highlight Kazakhstan's strategic positioning. Analysts point to the potential for increased budget revenues and the country's capacity to attract major players in the crypto space. The focus on AI and digital tenge integration signals a comprehensive digital transformation strategy. This isn't just about reserves, it's about building a digital future. Next, we'll explore how the global crypto market is projected to skyrocket and what that means for all of us. Crypto market poised for explosive growth, a trillion-dollar future ahead. The global cryptocurrency market is on the cusp of unprecedented expansion, with projections indicating it could reach a staggering USD 6,293.2 billion by the year 2033. This remarkable growth is expected to be driven by a compound annual growth rate of 9.7%, signaling a sustained and robust upward trend in the digital asset space. This forecast suggests a significant increase in market capitalization and trading volumes across a wide array of cryptocurrencies. As the technology matures and adoption rates climb, driven by both retail and institutional investors, the digital asset ecosystem is set to become a much larger and more influential part of the global financial landscape. The underlying drivers for this growth likely include increasing regulatory clarity in various jurisdictions, the development of more sophisticated blockchain applications, and a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class for investment, and even as a medium of exchange. The implications of this market expansion are far-reaching. For investors, it presents opportunities for significant returns, albeit with the inherent risks associated with volatile digital assets. For the broader economy, it could mean increased innovation, the creation of new industries, and a fundamental shift in how financial transactions are conducted. The projected growth underscores the importance of staying informed and potentially integrating digital assets into diversified investment portfolios. But where is this growth coming from? We're about to see how one company is making a strategic play. Next up, FEG Holdings announces a major cryptocurrency investment strategy. FEG Holdings charts a course for crypto investment success. FEG Holdings Corporation Limited is making a decisive move into the digital asset arena with the announcement of a strategic investment framework. Through its subsidiary, TGG Digital Limited, the company plans to allocate up to HKD 4.5 million towards cryptocurrency investments, signaling a strong commitment to diversifying its portfolio and exploring new avenues for growth. The core of FEG Holdings' strategy involves employing delta-neutral quantitative strategies. This sophisticated approach is designed to ensure capital preservation while aiming for steady, risk-adjusted returns, a crucial consideration in the often volatile crypto market. The allocated capital will be split between active strategy funds and a dedicated risk reserve, providing a buffer against potential market downturns and ensuring operational stability. To further mitigate risks, the company has implemented a comprehensive three-tier risk management framework. This includes systematic circuit breakers to halt trading in extreme conditions, real-time on-chain audits for transparency and security, and the aforementioned dedicated risk reserve. This strategic allocation by FEG Holdings is indicative of a growing trend among traditional companies to explore the potential of digital assets. By focusing on quantitative strategies and robust risk management, they aim to navigate the complexities of the crypto market with a measured and calculated approach. The market is watching closely to see how this investment unfolds and what impact it will have on FEG Holdings' overall financial performance and its position within the evolving digital economy. Diversification is key, but what about the rules of the game? Get ready for a regulatory shakeup. Our final story reveals how the SEC and CFTC are planning to revolutionize crypto trading. SEC and CFTC gear up for 24/7 crypto market revolution. Prepare for a monumental shift in the cryptocurrency landscape as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, announce a joint initiative to reimagine digital asset trading. A pivotal roundtable is scheduled for September 29, 2025, where discussions will focus on establishing a nonstop, 24/7 crypto market policy that promises to redefine accessibility, boost trading volumes, and reignite investor enthusiasm for major assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This groundbreaking collaboration aims to unlock unprecedented liquidity and encourage broader participation by embracing round-the-clock trading. SEC Chair Paul Atkins and CFTC Acting Chair Caroline Pham are champions of this initiative, stressing the critical need for a stable and cohesive regulatory framework to keep pace with the rapidly surging demand for cryptocurrencies. For traders and investors, this alliance represents a significant opportunity for increased clarity, enhanced safety, and a fertile ground for innovation, potentially resolving long-standing regulatory discord that has previously hampered industry growth. The proposed policies are expected to significantly boost trading volumes and liquidity, particularly attracting institutional investors who are increasingly seeking regulatory certainty. The initiative could also pave the way for advancements in the regulation of crypto derivatives, potentially introducing new avenues like cross-margining for seamless trading across diverse asset classes. While this move is largely welcomed, it also presents challenges for emerging Web3 startups that may struggle to adapt to new compliance directives and increased operational complexity. Industry advocates emphasize the importance of regulatory consistency while safeguarding the unique attributes of the crypto landscape. The SEC and CFTC are tasked with striking a delicate balance between fostering creative freedom and establishing a rational regulatory framework. As the roundtable approaches, key issues such as decentralized finance, DeFi, perpetual contracts, and portfolio margining are under scrutiny. The outcome of these discussions could profoundly shape the future of digital asset regulations, impacting compliance protocols and market efficiency. Experts largely agree that a strong partnership between these two regulatory bodies is paramount for sparking innovation and increasing transparency across both digital and traditional financial arenas. This joint initiative, if executed thoughtfully, could lay a robust foundation for a vibrant cryptocurrency future. And that's a wrap on today's explosive news. Don't go anywhere, we've got a lightning round recap and a full call to action coming right up. What a rundown! Kazakhstan is building a state crypto reserve. The global crypto market is projected to hit over $6 trillion by 2033. FEG Holdings is making a strategic crypto investment, and the SEC and CFTC are paving the way for a 24/7 crypto market. Don't miss out on any of the action. Hit that like button if you're excited about the future of crypto, subscribe for more daily updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video, and comment below with your thoughts on today's news. Plus, follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.